Do you want to speak English fluently but struggle with confidence? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll share 15 powerful ways to improve your English speaking skills fast. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, these tips will help you sound more natural and confident. Let's get started. 1. Think in English. Many learners translate from their native language, which slows them down. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start with simple words, then build up to full sentences. 2. Speak out loud. Reading is good, but speaking is better. Read books, articles, or even subtitles out loud. This helps improve pronunciation and fluency. 3. Shadow native speakers. Choose a native speaker, maybe from YouTube, movies, or podcasts, and repeat exactly what they say, mimicking their pronunciation and intonation. 4. Record yourself. Hearing your own voice might feel strange, but it helps you identify mistakes. Record yourself speaking and compare it with native speakers. 5. Talk to yourself. It might sound funny, but talking to yourself in English helps. Describe your day, explain your thoughts, or even argue with yourself. 6. Join English-speaking groups practice with others in online communities, language exchange programs, or even local meetups. Speaking with real people is the best way to improve. 7. Use AI or language apps like ChatGPT, Elsa Speak, or Cambly provide instant feedback on your pronunciation and grammar. 8. Learn common phrases. Instead of memorizing individual words, learn useful phrases. For example, instead of just good, learn that's a great idea. 9. Focus on pronunciation. Some English words sound different from how they're written. Practice tricky sounds like the and think or v and very. 10. Watch and repeat. Watch movies or YouTube videos with subtitles. Pause and repeat sentences exactly like the speaker. This improves your rhythm and accent. 11th. Sing English songs. Music helps with pronunciation and fluency. Pick a song you like, listen carefully, and sing along. 12. Have a speaking partner. Find a friend or join a language exchange to practice speaking daily. Even texting voice messages in English helps. 13. Slow down. Speaking too fast can cause mistakes. It's okay to slow down and focus on clear pronunciation. 14. Learn by teaching. Teach English phrases to someone else. When you explain things, you understand them better. 15. Stay consistent. Improving English takes time. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. Stay consistent and don't give up. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these tips and start practicing today. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.